tiny houses. You probably know the concept. It's wildly popular. It's, well, all over the internet. Tiny houses help you to downsize. They help you to get free, actually, from the burden of financial obligations. And well, I've been living in tiny house myself, and I know it's true. But when it comes to actually doing one, the number of options are very limited. Well, go on and search for tiny house and see what's actually available to buy. And you will see a lot of limitations, like maybe a really good company but only servicing a certain state in US or country in EU or Africa or whatever. You can't have it because of geographical limitations. Some of them are too big to fit the tiny house regulations in your country. Some of them are too small. Some of them are too expensive. So there are a lot of options, but not all of them are good. And here in A-Frame we decided to join the game, and we did an R&D project together with MIT and KVA architects in US, and we worked out a new model series. We call it Solo Plus. Our Solo A-Frame cabins have been around for 5 years now. They're not very popular, and I can understand why. They are not very functional. If you look at the floor plans, a lot of things are missing. Now we did the Solo Plus series, where MIT architects actually worked out a much better functionality, increasing the size just a little. Fits perfectly with a tiny house definition. We combined 3 popular concepts. One is A-Frame, which is a most simplistic construction, then DIY and tiny house. So there it is, Solo Plus Tiny House series. Solo Plus Tiny House series are meant to be built static. It means, well, theoretically you could put them on wheels, but practically I don't think it works very well. And there is no need, since you can build it wherever you actually need it. A lot of tiny houses are built in factory and then on wheels, actually taken where you need them to go. Our product is different, and our offering is complete set of drawings together with the cut lists, shopping list, step-by-step installation instructions. So it's pretty much like a recipe, house recipe. So imagine if you're not very good in baking stuff, but if you have a good recipe, how many eggs, what to whip and what not, and in which order you mix it, how to bake it, you can bake a pretty good cake. We are doing the same with the house, with the tiny house. So it's super simple. You just buy the drawing set, the plan set, print it out if needed. Then second, you buy the materials, local materials, buy the shopping lists provided. You take it to your building site and you follow our recipe. You cut the stuff, put it together, and here you go, you have a house. So it's definitely the quickest and easiest, and probably most affordable way to get the tiny house built. Imagine it, you are sitting on the porch of your newly built tiny home with your favorite mug in your hand, sipping coffee, still smelling the wood from the newly built home, and that feeling that your old life, even the hassle with building the new house, it's behind you now. It's there in the past, and in front of you is just the future, the new life. You're probably watching this video because you want to have a change in your life. You want to downsize, get rid of some obligations you have. If you don't take it, well, nothing happens. And in a year's time, you'll be watching this video again and nothing has happened in a year's time. Think about it.